Welcome to Neural Tech Analytics. Today we are going to explore two essential and powerful Python data structures, the dict and the set. And then we'll unlock a powerful feature that works with all of them, comprehensions. First we will discuss Python dictionary, dict. A dict or dictionary is a collection of key-value pairs. It's like a real-life dictionary where you look up a word, the key, to find its meaning, the value. In Python, it's also called a hash map. Creating a dictionary, D equals A1, B2. Access or update values. Print, DA, hash it displays, 1D equals 3 hash. Adds a new key value pair check if a key exists. B in D hash, it displays true delete, a key. Del D value equals D.pop A, hash removes and returns the value. Useful dictionary methods. D keys. Hash returns all keys, D.values. Hash returns all values, D.update. D. 4. Hash merges another dictionary into D. Create a dict from two lists. Keys equals X, Y values equals 9, 8, D equals dict, zip, keys values, hash X, 9, Y 8. Set default value safely. Value equals D.get, missing, default, hash avoids. Key error group items by their first letter. Words equals, apple atom, bat by underscore letter equals, for word in words, letter equals word. 0 by underscore letter dot set default letter, append word. Or use default dict from the collections module. From collections import default dict by underscore letter equals default dict, list, for word in words, by underscore letter, word 0 dot append word. That's it. Use a dict when you want to map keys to values, like names to phone numbers. Now we will discuss Python set. Pancre set. A set is a collection of unique elements. No duplicates allowed. Sets are great for math-like operations, unions, intersections, and more. Creating a set. S equals 1, 2, 3, S equals set. 1, 2, 2, 3, hash. Automatically removes duplicates. Add or remove items. S.add 4, S.remove 2. Set operations. A equals 1, 2, 3, B equals 3, 4, 5. Print AB hash union right pointing arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Print A and B hash intersection right pointing arrow 3. Print A B hash difference right pointing arrow 1, 2. Print A caret B hash symmetric difference right pointing arrow 1, 2, 4, 5. Check relationships 1, 2. Dot is subset. A hash true, A is superset 1, 2. Hash true set elements must be immutable 1, 2. Hash valid. Tuple is immutable 1, 2. Hash invalid list is mutable. That's it. Use a set when you want to store unique items and perform set operations like union or intersection. Now we will discuss what are comprehensions. Comprehensions let you create new lists, sets, or dictionaries in just one line of code instead of writing a full loop. Think of them as shortcuts, but readable and powerful. List comprehension. Here's the format. Expression for item in collection if condition. This is the same as writing a full for loop with an if condition but shorter. Strings equals as, bat, car, dove, python, x.upper for x in strings if len x greater than 2. This filters out short words and converts the rest to uppercase. It displays bat, car, dove, python set comprehension same idea but with curly braces, and it stores only unique values. Len x for x in strings. This gives us the unique lengths of the words. It displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You can also write it like this. Set map, len, strings. Dict, dictionary, comprehension. Use it when you want to create key value pairs in one line. LOC underscore mapping equals val, index for index, val in enumerate, strings. This maps each word to its position in the list. It displays A, 0 as 1, bat, 2, nested list comprehension. Yes, you can even loop inside another loop. We have a list of names grouped by language. all underscore data equals John, Emily, Michael, Mary, Stephen, Maria, Juan, Javier, Natalia, Pilar. Now we want names that have two or more, name for names in all underscore data for name in names. If name.count it displays Stephen flat in a list of tuples. Here's how to turn this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into a flat list. X for tup in some underscore tuples for X. This is the same as writing a nested for loop, but shorter. Nested inside nested, you can also build a list of lists. X for X in tup. For tup in some underscore tuples, it displays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Python comprehensions can make your code cleaner, faster, and more elegant. At Neural Tech, we offer industry-aligned data analytics training that leads directly to job-ready skills and real-world results. Visit our website to learn more.